Hey everyone! So I have a 12 by 16 canvas and I've already laid half purple, and this is Purple Lake from Creative Inspirations. It's a really pretty color. Mixed up as a base paint. 1 cup paint, 2 cups Floetrol, 2/3 cup of water. There's no glue in the base paints. And then of course our Creative Inspirations white, titanium white, is mixed the same way. So I've already split the canvas, and I'm going to do a diagonal flip and drag using Deco Art Berry Metallic, Premier Purple Red, Artist Loft Bronze, and of course Creative Inspirations Black. And all of those have silicone in them. So I'm going to get a 5-ounce cup, and I will spray it with my WD-40 silicone spray. And I'm going to go ahead, I really should take the tops off these, it would help. Okay. Alright. So I'm going to go ahead and start with that Berry Metallic. And I'm going to follow that with black. And then the Craftsmart Bronze. I'm sorry, Artist Loft Bronze. And then the Premier Purple Red. I have a little bit more paint than I usually do because I do want to blend that into both colors. I'm going to give it just a tiny swirl. And I'm going to pop it in the middle. Poke a hole. I'm just going to let that set for a second. Okay. So now I'm just going to move it around, blending it in between these two colors. Then I'll probably go back in just to pull it where I want it. Okay. So I think I have it intermingled enough. I did not pull any white over there though, and I'm wondering if I should. I think I should. Let it go here. Because I can stretch that out. I don't want to pull too much though. Alright, so maybe when I tilt that I can fix that. Alright, let's do that. I'm just going to move it around a little bit. Get these colors jiving together. It's a lot of dancing in the paint to intermingle. I think the berry might have been just a little bit too dark to go with that purple. But we're going to make it work. I hope. So I did get a little lacing over there, and I'm going to airbrush this side out. I may have to put some dots of white in here to blow that out into that purple. Let me look at it a little bit more. Or let me drag a white cup through. How's that sound? Maybe with a little black and bronze, sorry. Okay, let me swirl that just a little bit. And I think I'll start up here. That'll give it a little more, and a lot of it's going to sink, so, but I did want a little more white in there. So let's let the paint dance a little bit. I have a ton of little cells. Alright, let me torch that. I see stuff trying to come up through. So hopefully that'll settle down just a little bit. Not coming up, at least not yet. Let me see what happens when I poke at it. Don't poke the bear. Yeah, I think if I blow it with the airbrush it won't be quite as noticeable. So I'm going to go ahead and do this side first. I'm just going to touch spots that have white on the edge to push out, because you really don't see a lot of the other colors. And I'm going to touch in here to move that white so it's not quite such a thick band. That's different. Get a little too much pattern though, don't you think? And I'm not going to mess with it too much because then I'm going to make mud. So I am going to pull just a little bit through to break it up. Because I can never leave anything alone. I've been preparing for the storm all day today, so I wanted to paint tonight so you guys would have something to watch while my power is probably going to be out. Hopefully we'll be able to use our cell phones to post on Facebook, let you know what's going on. But my main concern is keeping my family safe and dry. And hopefully no trees on our house. Alright. I'm still looking at that spot. I need to blow it just a little bit more. So don't yell. Don't scream so loud. It just looked like a tree was sitting in there. I think it'll be fine when it dries because the white's going to sink some more. I'm not going to play with it anymore. But I will give you a close-up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Click on that little bell next to the subscribe button to get notified when I upload the next video. Click like and share and leave a comment. Join us on Facebook. Shop with us on Amazon for all your painting supplies. We have everything there, including the airbrush. Check us out on Etsy. We sell paintings and jewelry there. Get your Stone Coat Art Coat resin while we have the code. It's CWA, all in caps, and you'll get $30 off an $80 order. The link to their website is below as well. And to all my East Coast friends, stay high and dry. Turn around, don't drown. And if you're on the coast, please get out of there. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and we hope to see you soon. Goodbye.